Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best Bissell carpet and upholstery cleaner on the market. The Bissell Little Green Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. This powerful tool is perfect for those looking to tackle tough messes around the home or even in the car. Whether it's pet stains, kids' spills, or everyday dirt, this compact cleaner is ready to help you reclaim your space with ease. Now, let's talk about why this little green machine stands out. First off, it's incredibly portable. Weighing just under 10 pounds, it's easy to carry around the house or even take to your car for upholstery detailing. Its 48-ounce tank ensures that you can clean large areas without constantly needing to refill. But don't let the size fool you. This cleaner packs a punch when it comes to suction power. It effortlessly removes stains, dirt, and grime, leaving your carpets and upholstery looking fresh again. One of the features we really appreciate is the inclusion of the spot and stain with Febreze formula. This not only helps you tackle stains but also leaves a fresh scent behind, ensuring your home smells just as good as it looks. Whether you're dealing with pet accidents, coffee spills, or muddy footprints, this cleaner handles it all. Plus, it comes with specialized tools like the 3-inch tool and Hydro Rinse tool, which make cleaning upholstery and hard-to-reach areas a breeze. What makes this model even more appealing is its versatility. It's not just for carpets. This cleaner works wonders on upholstered furniture, car interiors, stairs, and more. If you're someone who frequently deals with messes in tight spaces, the portability and design of the little green cleaner make it an ideal choice. The 15-foot cord provides enough reach for most cleaning jobs, allowing you to cover a good distance without having to constantly plug and unplug. One of the standout features of this product is the patented Hydro Rinse tool. This self-cleaning tool makes maintenance so much easier. Simply attach it to the machine, rinse, and it cleans itself after every use. No more worrying about clogged hoses or leftover dirt in your machine. This thoughtful design ensures that your Bissell Little Green stays in tip-top shape for every cleaning session. Bissell has also thought about the environment with this product. Every purchase helps support the Bissell Pet Foundation, a non-profit organization dedicated to saving homeless pets. So, not only are you making your home cleaner, but you're also contributing to a good cause. In conclusion, the Bissell Little Green Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner offers exceptional performance in a compact, easy-to-use design. Whether you need it for pet messes, car detailing, or cleaning upholstery, it's an excellent investment for anyone looking to maintain a clean and fresh home. It's affordable, effective, and ready to tackle any challenge you throw at it. Thanks for watching this review of the Bissell Little Green Cleaner. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews on the best home products. Until next time, happy cleaning.